A very good morning to all of you. Now we will see MCQ on functional programming tools. Okay, how question will come from function programming tools. If type of MCQ, detailed question we will do later on. First question is it's asking just the output of the following code. Here you can see the odd is equals to lambda x and bool. If I am saying why we need lambda, why we include lambda here. What is lambda? Lambda is basically a function which does not have, if you don't know the name of the function and you don't know how many parameters you have to pass to the function, then you will use lambda. Okay, so it's kind of function which doesn't know the name as well as the number of parameters, how many parameters we have to pass. So lambda x semicolon bool x modulus of 2. Number will be n for n in range 10 till 10 numbers will be fine. Print numbers. N, what kind of n is? List. For in numbers, if odd I, continue, else break. Now you can see here the bool is here. Yeah, bool x modulus 2. So the value of x start with 0. Fine. It will print till 9. All the values till 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why it will print? It will not exclude 10. It will print till 10. Fine. Because this function will return the value till the 9. Now next is what is the output of the code shown below. Again we are using lambda. Find print F20 and F21. Here it's saying print F20 and F21. These are the function. Okay, so this code shown above will return true if the given argument is an odd value and false if the given argument is true value, and 20 is a even. Okay, even value. So first of all, for 20 it will return false, and for odd value it will return true. So your output will be false and true. Next example we will see. Yeah, what is the output of a code shown below? It's just import function tools. Now here list 1 2 3 4, print function tool dot reduce lambda x y semicolon x into y and l. Fine. That means what is x y here? Means x into y, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. The resultant will come, what result will come? It will come 24. So output will be 24. What is the output of, again code is given over here. Now you can see that here one list is there, then the function and function returning x should be less than 2. Fine. ml is equals to filter f1 and l. L is list, print list ml, this variable which we assign filter f1 and l. Now if we see, it's saying x should be less than 2. So if we start 0 1 2, fine, so it will take number till here. Fine. It will return only those elements from the list that are less than 2. If we find out, it will list out 1, -2 and -3 because these elements are less than 2. And functional programming tool used to achieve this operation is filter. How you filter? By how you filter these elements that they are less than, by the filter function. This is a functional programming tool. Next. Now, what is the output of a code shown below? L is equals to -2 and a 4. M is equals to map lambda x semicolon x into 2 and L. Print M. Fine. Now, output, what output it will show? Because it will return the address of M. Fine. And in address of M we had used the statement list print M. Fine. And M is having this list map lambda x semicolon x into 2. So output will be, if we see -2 raised to the power 2 is 4. Fine. And then we will see 16. So output will be -4 and 16, or 4 and 16 both will be correct. Yeah. Next question, what is the output of the following code? Here you will find out list, then define f1x, return x should be less than -1. Again map function. What is the use of map function in Python? Can anyone? Okay, it's a one-way class, so I will define map in Python. Yeah. If we see here in this example, we are using ml is equals to map f1 comma l. Okay, so this function map function execute a specified for each item in iterable. Fine. It will specify each item in iterable, and this item is sent to the function as a parameter. Fine. Here you will see map f1. This is your function and this is the iterable. Iterable, this one, list. Fine. So as I told you, this function is specified function for each item in iterable. First of all, this function will go for the 1 and check whether 1 is less than -1 or not. If true, it will give you true value. If false, it will give you false. So first one is false. -2 is less than -1, true, then again true, then again you will get false and false. Okay. So this is the use of map function. So many new functions are coming here like lambda, map. That's why I'm tries that we solve more and more questions, so you will get an idea how these functions will work. Now next is, what is the output of a code shown? Here you will see the program. Again map lambda, both function are in the same program. Okay, and the condition is 2 raised to the power x. Find if 2 raised to x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So if we see 2 raised to the power 1, the result will come 2. Then for 2 it's come 4, for 3 it's come 8, and so on. So this will be your output. Now you will see the next question, what is the output of code shown below? Here func tools dot reduce. which is used func dot reduce with lambda. So what it will, for which it is used, it can be used to find the maximum of the elements from the given list. Fine. And this, see how you will do lambda x here. Y, x, if x is greater than y, else y. If x is greater than y, else y. We will check in the list here that which one x is greater than y. Okay, so it reduce the which one, it's depend on the value of y. Here it's saying x and y. Fine. If you compare its x and y, if you compare 2 is to 1, it will give what? So it will give you output x, because the this code is used to find the maximum of element from the given list, and in the above code this operation is achieved by using programming tool reduce. Hence the output is 5. Okay. Yes. Now here we will see reduce. Okay, what reduce will do, the reduce function is basically used to apply a particular function, pass in its argument to all of the list element, and it will return, its output will return a single value. Here you can see that condition is given x is greater than y. Fine. If we apply function tools dot reduce in a given list, then reduce function combined with operator function to achieve the functionality as with lambda function and makes more readable. Fine. Here you will see that which one is greater than greater value 5, so it will just return 5 value. Okay. Next, yeah. What is the output of the code shown below? Now you will see n for n in range 5. Here for loop is there for one list, and second f is equals to just passing lambda and bool x modulus. Fine. It will print f3 and f1 for I in range length I, and if f li del li print I. So here what it will print true value entered as argument is odd, because it's saying modulus sign means if it is odd, here both the arguments are odd, it will print true for that, else it will print false. Okay, so we will see here that here value will be true. First it's odd, true, then it's again true, and for this it will gives you an error. Fine. Because list index being out of range, that's why it will give error. Next, look at the next question. Again reduce function is used here, and you know why we use reduce function, to reduce the element, and it will show you one single value. Yeah, here m reduce lambda x minus 3 in range of 4 to 10. So 4, I'm again repeating 4 to 10. Fine. Here you will see first no 4 to 10. Okay, in C also no 4 to 10, no output. Yeah, it will show you no output, because no number here between 4 to 10 within the range of 10. Okay, so it will print result in an error or no output, because it have to import function tool. Fine. Reduce as such is not defined in such a manner, so it will remove If you add function tool, it will remove the error. Now, next we will see which of the following number will not be a part of output list of the code shown below. Now, here it will print list M, and M says filter SF range 1 comma 31. Okay, range is 1 comma 31, and it will return modulus that is not equals to 0, modulus 3, and modulus 5 that is also not equals to 0. Where is the question gone? Yeah, it's here. So it will not contain any element. That means it will not contain any element that is divisible by 3 or 5 between the range 1 to 31. So it will contain 1, 2, not 3, then 4, not 5, not 6, 7, 8, 11, 13. Like here you can see what element it will contain. Only those are divisible by 3 and 5. It will not contain those. Now after this it say list, print list M. Okay, so how many items are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 3, 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, 3, 12, 15, and 16. So 16 elements are there. Fine. Hence the number which is not present in the output list is 10. Among these number, and 6 also. Yeah. So here two outputs are there, 6 and 10. Next is your, where it gone? Where's that question gone? Hmm. Getting. Okay, might be. Okay, today we will finish up over here. In the next class, we will see some more examples. Fine. So, have a good day.